Hi everybody, it's Brooke with WTI. I get super dry lips this time of year, so I am always looking for a good lip chap. We get a lot of things from the Honest Company, so I thought, why not check if they have a lip chap? And they do. Not only is it super nourishing and moisturizing, but it's vegan, cruelty-free, and EWG certified. I got the dragon fruit color, and it's just a nice sheer color, so it doesn't look like you're wearing a bunch of lipstick, because I really don't wear much makeup, so that would be noticeable. But it gives your lips a little bit of a tint, so it looks like you did do a little something. This lip balm uses antioxidant-rich acai extracts and avocado oil to nourish and moisturize your lips, and let me tell you, it works amazing. If you have super dry lips like me, or you just like to keep them moisturized so they don't get that way, this Tinted Honest Lip Balm is exactly what you're looking for. And that's my point of view.